Guys, Bailey here. Just want to talk about a channel I'm making. It's going to be Basics 2-1 Rocket League, and as you can tell, lights aren't on. What else? No. Power outage, we got a snowstorm out here. So, I mean, it is pretty bad. It's like 18 inches. But yeah, I want to talk about the new channel, and I don't know. Power outage, so it's pitch black everywhere else, and I'm probably just going to take a nap. Because knocking out the snow, I don't think I have any flashlights. And I mean, it's about it. And I mean, I didn't think it'd get this bad, but yeah. New channel, Basics 2-1 Rocket League. I'll comment on it when I get my new phone on one of my recent videos on this channel. And yeah, see you later. Peace.